So I'm making a video after a long time now. So my focus for this video would be on um, my experience as a programming analyst. Um, After I went through all those certifications and how what is the current job situation and how Python and its application exist in different forms, not just machine learning or deep learning. Um, so mainly work on Python and SQL, writing queries in SQL, and also creating software through Python. So it's like a role which is related to analysis and writing Python code. I mean, it's kind of interesting for me. Um, since I have a background, I mean, I've done data wrangling, data analysis, as I've made videos earlier. So, the main point I want to highlight today is on the um, use of chat GPT, because this has been my focus in the last 2 3 videos, because I find it to be very interesting. And I mean, it's like, although it can't be used with every organization because they have their own proprietary rights to their code, and there is a different coding structure which is inherent to the user requirements in every organization or every company, because obviously they have patent for their code. So yep, they can't just put up on the chat gpt. However, I what I have realized after working, it's like it's pretty tough at the moment, the job market. I totally agree with this, but again, you have to try really hard to, I mean, get through that level. But it is like a process, once you understand the process, you nail it. That's how it is. And since I mean, I used to make videos regularly, then I got the job and then I stopped doing it, because obviously you are more inclined towards what is being done in the 9 to 5, and you need to relax as well sometime, because you can't be just pushing through all the time. um Unlike the other YouTubers, they tend to just say, oh, we need to push ourselves and do those things. But and besides that, machine learning, I mean, it is an area of interest for me, and I'll be focusing more on it. I want to use Chat GPT as a tool to create something, to be honest. Machine learning in itself is like, core concepts are really good, but again, it's the application which really helps to understand the knowledge you have gained. Because I mean, knowledge of machine learning, deep learning by itself doesn't make any sense. You may know it, but are you using it? Because learn by doing approach is like something which works for me and has always worked, and I love to learn by doing instead of just going through theories, solving problems. You need to solve real time problems, real life problems, because that gives you a better understanding of the knowledge you have gained over the years. But so this video overall is like, my comeback to this YouTube again, in this YouTube environment, because I have been not I've not been able to make a video from a long time. And because I got pretty busy, and I would keep you guys updated on the upcoming videos. And it's more of like a general conversation which I wanted to have with my subscribers, because I think I would not want to talk about things which I haven't done. I would always talk about things which I have done and which have worked for me, because I mean, there are so many of them. You also know this, right? And they kind of, I don't know how helpful they are. I have no clue, because there are a ton of YouTube videos on machine learning, deep learning, and they tell you like this and that. But actually, you have to face few problems, difficult ones, which make you think for at least a month or something. If you are get stuck on a problem for 1 month and you're still doing the code, I mean, I don't know what is passion and what is all that BS. You do things, you still do the code irrespective of you like it, you don't like it, who cares, you know and you try to do them, and it helps you to, I mean, because it's like the learning is not for, I mean, it's not like you are in a you're you're doing a fun activity or something. I mean, I don't see it as a fun, but I don't know fun what is the definition for fun, because I don't really care about all those things. All I care about is the knowledge you get and how you use it, because in this time when you, I mean, because since you when you work from home and you get paid, it is the best feeling, believe me. It's not like it's like you're just using information from your brain and solving problems through Python and SQL and getting paid for it. I don't know people telling about all that shit like, oh, 9 to 5 job is bad, this is that. I don't agree with all that shit. It pay you enough. I mean, I don't think so it makes you, I mean, gives you a lot of money, but initially you understand the importance of it. It gives you a bit of sense of accomplishment. I know people consider job as like, it's not considered something which is very useful. I mean, they say like, oh, I have to work and this. I don't feel like working, because when you write code in Python and SQL, I don't think so you will care much about it, because it's all about logic. It's about like doing mathematical equation, linear equation, variables, and applying conditions. I don't think so it's like a lot of work, unless it's like a repetitive task, because that becomes boring. But when you have to think, the main part is thinking, which happens in machine learning, or when you're writing code in Python, and also in SQL, right? So that's the best part, and I enjoy doing it. And that's what I would like to share for this video. I hope you guys like my video, although it's not about the certifications, but soon I'll be making a video on TensorFlow certification, because I am gonna do it soon. I already have Azure certification, and I don't think so it's very useful, to be honest. It's like you get it. It's like it's very, it doesn't tell you the core stuff. It just shows you automation stuff. So you just click 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 click, and it's done if you understand the core concepts. So something which is very difficult, although it's difficult, but it makes you stand out from the crowd. It gives you more information. You can see things very differently compared to your peers. That's what it is all about, and that's should be all. Thank you guys, and if you really enjoy my content, do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.